Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to compare two versions of the document to see the changes on Windows MS Word. And here is how. Let us get started. As you can see from the document name at the top, this is document 1, and we will compare it to document 2. Therefore, choose the Review tab, navigate to the Compare option on the right, and click it to compare two versions of the document or combine them. Thus, if I choose to compare here, for instance, the original document is document 2 and the amended document is document 1. This combines revisions from multiple authors into a single document. And if you receive a notice for that, you can simply choose OK and Yes. You can also compare the many changes made to the two documents here and see how simple the modifications are. You may then choose to accept or reject the various revisions here, meaning that if you accept it, you'll be changing the document you are working on. And after finishing that, you can simply close the secondary document here to return to only having one open, making it a really simple process. And that's it. This is how to compare two versions of the document to see the changes on Windows MS Word. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next video.